Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakamet jong ka khandai tarik mentau benari saw arjar kat khandai. Kumba hakapor kat wei beje men. Ki breu ki bala sop la span ba yelade, ki lalit rong hapok ka kot jong ka skolba North Eastern Hill University. Hakaba ki lalit ban thombor, hakawei ka hostel, kabaran hapo jong ka ni ka skolba. Hakani jinglit thombor, wei ni ki dikot jong ka seng New Trap Youth Council Nehu Unit. Ula sho ringkat bat wei pat usamla ubadai ubarjala. Hadian kani ke jingsha sho upara dekot. Hakasni ke babot pat kata hakashpo tereng. Kino ilam jong ka seng HYC seng keme. Kilala ye kenduru ye ki bor penya jong ka skol ba nehu ban pan jing penchai. Ba kumnu ki breu ki badan ke jing tmu ka besniu. Kiyo ban rong hapo ka kot jong ka skol ba bat ban thomboru wa di samla pule ki basong basa hangne.
Peremjur ki lunar pelawan thombor wen ki khna popule hakani ke skol ba. Kilawan ra daki rot daki dieng wan tiet wan bom wan dat ini kena boput basong basa ketika kupli hostel boys hostel pat ni penrem jur om tang yaki andre wat security jong ka nihu rukumjo badai na security jong nihu palami gini ki baro namar kim sem la bante la kam setia yakini ki runar ki belawan ban thombor ikna populi hani nihu kejing form jongi yaga HYC nihu unit kamdei na bataka interest ka basimet Rega dia mentaka interest untuk do usnam populih kini skol ba hi jingmut jengi bon wan ra ke HYC ni unit om bangin ya don kata ke jing ya snu per jingmut iwe ne om bangi sim ya ka competition banno hendre jing wan ra jengi ya ka HYC ni unit kalong bangin la ban wan ra kita ki samla populih nak ni skol ba banlong ki bre bami khmat hakai jelai berok kuai na bata kari bagai jaj benriu panapta udo usnam jong lejong hi tengi nak seng nila ni penrem jur igini ki jingle jong kini ki ruboman ki blasuan simit batiet ban sho igini ki khna bat inpet bakanihu administration hi kade ban simti dak bor bakham bat ni request ru ya police department bakin wat bat bakin penlap ya kini ki breu ki bala le kum kini ki jaj kam namar ba kini ki kim deban ya beteng biang hagini ki sngi banwan ne kini ki benai ni ki snam banwan ni haban perkhat ya lagi para ki jongi ki banwan hadin habot ru ki breu kim deban tieng ki baki wan hani hu bat kini ki runar kin sa penting ki breu banwan hani hu hagini ki skul pa te ka wei ki jing ong ki jonga kumu presiden jong ka HYC ni hu unit kalong ba wat ailat bakini ki breu kin penbakla ya jingmut jing perkhat jong phi sepang ka skul ba ni hu ka pediang ya kat badon kadai ke Central University kadai ya phi ka kamram jong phi ban puli ban mi khmat ha ka jella henrei wat ailat bat ngiru na ka seng minum ailat bagini ki runar kin wan bat kini ai beteng ban le ikni ki kamrunar ki jongki nilai keren bat bun ki he jong kan administration jong kan hu bat kila simti bakin pej ya mano badai kini ki runar bat bakin kampan klan ya ke security hangni hu
around 11 p.m. actually I just took my dinner and after that I go to wash machine and I just washing my dish and my hand. After that I hear a sound actually, like a noise, someone is screaming. Then I just want to see, but who is like screaming at that night? No? So then I just turn back at that machine and I saw that two people are coming out from the upstairs. One is just go outside and one is just go, like he just crossed me and after that he just turned towards me and he hit me. Like I didn't see his face actually, like he was wearing some kind of mask and his jumper cap was on his head, so it's hard for me to capture his face. And after that I just fell down on my ground and then Fran helped me to get out from the place and he took me to room and after that I saw that the bloods are coming out from my head actually. Then I realized that it's hard too much. Then some hostels friends come out and they just help, and after 30 to 40 minutes later they took me to civil, and after that they do their duties, and right now the situation is maybe under control, and I don't think so that this is not good actually, like the security purpose and other things. There are a lot of insecurity right now in our lives, especially the newcomers. It's just 2 days in hostel for me, so it's hard for me to relating these types of issues right now. So I don't want any type of trouble in future, and there is no big issue, but still people should give their attention for the security purpose. The only reason is that the security people should they should increase the level of security level, because it's okay then one guard cannot be guard all hostel students now. So they should increase the number of guards. That is one kind of problem, and they should check their IDs or some kinds of. They should issue some rules and regulations right now. It's very important. That night, actually the prefect was not there. Maybe he has some issues, because we cannot say no. Everybody has their personal life, so maybe he has some issues, but he was not that night actually. So we cannot blame him, no? Because everybody has their own lives. It's not about the responsibility or duty. We have to understand about their life also. No, I didn't see the guard actually. Like I just fell down on the ground and I saw from just helped me to get out, and he just took me to room. And after that I realized that it's hurting too much. That's the thing actually. Like we want some kind of like what they are BSW doing. It is not like that, but they should keep looking for that person, that maybe someone other can also hurt. So that's my issue. Filing of FIR is like that. They are also my brothers, no? They are studying, or maybe they are from outsiders. I cannot say. But if they are students, I don't want to destroy their life, because all are equal, no, in Nehu. So I hope that maybe they do misunderstand me or some kinds of issues they have. But I want that I don't want to like do any type of FIR. I want to say that they should increase the level of. That's the only issue right now.
Hakani ka jui ka sngi nakaliang kinong ilam jong ka Nehu Students Union ro kilala yekando yo Vice Chancellor jong ka skol ba Nehu u Professor SK Srivastava banyakren bat u halor kani ka ju ka phang kata halor ka jingsha thompor ki samla pole hapo ka kot jong ka skol ba Nehu haki breu ki banabar bat hakani ka jingla yekando lai don kat ro ki dokhot bat kinong ilam jong ka seng HYC
nakaliang ka Nehu ban kan kondo ka kasni ya Vice Chancellor but penderam ru ya jing labs yang security ko Nehu atau baki breu ba ngimla tip na iwan surung thombor na ni skol ba kani ka jingle ka pensong siri na puli jokan ni skol ba namar wat hadu penrung hapok kamera di hostel iyo penrung di bon kena menta tidak dengan sir ka pagi semua dengan kana dari wali pondok patu ding menta yu Vice Chancellor tolong pada kalian ke dulu penskam di security hang ni hapok ni nang pakung kini jingja kinam jaso hak korban na kalian ke Vice Chancellor ular file immediately ke FIR persya kita giru runat batru ba kuntaitan security and management kita ka assurance bawai kalian ke dulu kira delegation dengan namar ba ki attack ya ubreu balik si ubam dai ubreu ba kumne kumte ma uba im la ka jing im la kelas hostel kelas kunta tertib im ka jing im ubu man gas ini ka jing attack yo way kena kapin kendit si sai ni banong gandon kata ka jing bisni kubin te ngamla banong bakadon kata andre ka polisi kan investigate ka polisi kan salat bade nagaliang dungi te la le badon kan ni naila be baya ka an kan sa le kan man nagaliang ka dungi kumbang ila kran syai ba ka FIR ada file nagaliang police department ni kan shim ya protokol ka dungi ya ka investigation technique ka dungi kumno gile ngatrai ba sin mengilahi ka FIR ka police department ni min haban tanya tali haki kumno bikin le nang sakman man nagaliang ka dungi nim kwa su akum gani gajing ja kanang da nang miskemat yanu yanu.
Whatever happened yesterday should not continue further on. This university should focus mainly on the safety of the students. An FIR has been lodged, and the police will take proper inquiry, and the unknown miscreants will be brought into law, and everything will follow into course. So the FIR has already been lodged, and the follow-up will happen, and we will keep everyone updated on how the university should take up its course of action. For the time being, we have already suggested to the Vice Chancellor and the Pro Vice Chancellor that a proper setup should be taken in each and every hostel, so that unknown miscreants should not enter the hostel room by room and attack a student of this university.